Hey, man, we got an EZGO here, RXV. I wanted to show you a 2014 and back carries a 36 volt solenoid, not a 48. You can see it's RXV because it's electric and it has reverse, neutral, and forward on the dash. Now what we're going to do here, this is lithium conversion. Now what I'm going to do here is you have rivets here, little pot rivets, you just pull them out. And then you have one here. You just pull up this, all right? And you pull that out. Now, look at your solenoid here. See if I can find it there. Right there it says 36 volts. 36V. Now, what happens there is, yes, it's a 48 volt car, but the only time that uses 48 volts is across the big post. It engages off 36. Actually, not even 36. It's like 26. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you here. Take my voltmeter. It's probably gonna fall about 300 times. I'm gonna put it on DC voltage. It's really starting to fall now. And I'm gonna take the red lead here. Now, whenever you do this now, make sure you don't touch this wire here to nothing else, man. If you do, you'll fry the controller and you're gonna regret it. So that's why I got clamps. So what I'm gonna do, take it, clamp it on my red, have the key off, and then I'm gonna take my black lead, clamp it on my negative. I'll hold it right there. And you can see I got it hooked up to my ground and my negative and my voltmeter there. Now I'm gonna turn the key on to neutral, and you can see there we have 27.8 volts. All right. Now, of course, if you take this here and go to your negative on the battery, you're going to show battery voltage. All right. You can see there. Hit the button one time, Jerry. All right. You can see you're going to have battery voltage. But the way they have like a reducer inside that reduces it down to, come down some, that reduces the voltage down from 51 volts to 27 volts. If you put a 48 volt solenoid on an RXV, it will work for a little while. It might last you a week, might last you a month, but it's only a matter of time before it burns up. You can use an EZGO 36 volt solenoid on there off a TXT. It'll work. I've seen it last up to 2 years. But other than that, man, just put your right solenoid on there. All right. Stay tuned, man. I'll post some more. I'm turning the key off. You'll see voltage die. Just like this video.